Which summer drinks support health? During the hot summer months, staying hydrated is very important. Drinking the right kinds of beverages can help keep you cool, refreshed, and healthy. Many people turn to sugary sodas or alcohol, but these drinks can be harmful in the long run. Here are some statistics to show why healthy summer drinks are important. Dehydration. Around 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated. Sugary drinks. Consuming just one sugary drink a day can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 26%. Staying hydrated with healthy drinks is a serious matter. Dehydration can lead to heat stroke, kidney problems, and other health issues. Choosing the right drinks can make a big difference. Healthy summer drinks. 1. Water. Water is the best drink for staying hydrated. It has no calories, no sugar, and it's essential for almost every function in your body. Tip: add slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber for a refreshing twist. 2. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural drink that is low in calories and high in potassium. It helps replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. Benefit: it helps prevent dehydration and muscle cramps. Herbal Iced Tea. Herbal iced tea, such as peppermint or chamomile tea, is a great way to stay hydrated without added sugars. These teas can also have calming and digestive benefits. Tip: brew the tea, chill it, and add ice. Sweeten with a little honey if needed. 4. Smoothies. Smoothies made from fresh fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can be a nutritious and delicious way to cool down. Recipe idea: blend spinach, banana, berries, and a splash of almond milk for a healthy smoothie. 5. Infused water. Infused water is simply water with added fruits, vegetables, or herbs. It can be more appealing than plain water and still very healthy. Tip: try combinations like strawberry basil or orange mint. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Drinking it iced can be very refreshing. Benefit: it supports heart health and helps in reducing the risk of certain cancers. 7. Vegetable juice. Fresh vegetable juice like carrot or beet juice is a nutrient-rich option. It provides essential vitamins and minerals without the high sugar content of fruit juices. Tip: add a pinch of salt and lemon for extra flavor. Serious effects of unhealthy summer drinks. It's important to avoid unhealthy summer drinks. Here's why. 1. Sugary drinks. Regular consumption of sugary drinks can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. 2. Alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to dehydration, liver disease, and an increased risk of accidents and injuries. 3. Energy drinks. These often contain high levels of caffeine and sugar, which can lead to heart problems, anxiety, and sleep disturbances. Choosing healthy summer drinks is not just about staying cool. It's about maintaining your overall health and well-being. Dehydration and consuming too much sugar or caffeine can have serious health consequences. Healthy summer drinks are essential for staying hydrated and maintaining good health during the hot months. Water, coconut water, herbal iced tea, smoothies, infused water, green tea, and vegetable juice are all excellent choices. Avoid sugary drinks, excessive alcohol, and energy drinks to protect your health. Make smart choices to stay cool, refreshed, and healthy all summer long. If you've appreciated this video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest content.